Let me show you how you guys can check your TikTok chat history. You want to click on profile at the bottom of your screen and click on the three line at the top right of your screen. And then you want to click on settings and privacy. Inside here, you want to choose account, which is at the top. From here, you want to choose download your data option. And here you can see select data to download. You can see all data right beside that. Click on all data and click on custom at the bottom. And then from here, you just want to choose messages, direct message you have sent and received, and make sure you untick every single thing else. Click on done, click on request data, and the data will be requested from TikTok. And as you guys can see, downloaded data. Now it's going to take a little bit of time, so I want you to come back to the same page after 24 hours, and it's going to show you a download button over here instead of cancel. You can click on download and the data will be downloaded. You can open your data to see all of your chat history there. Hope I was able to help you guys. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.